Root canal therapy is a common dental procedure and is commonly misunderstood or feared by the majority of. It is, however, vital to protect a tooth from removal as well as ease the pain caused by infections or damages to the pulp of the tooth. In this short video, we'll explore the ways the root canal procedure can save your tooth step by step. Step 1. Diagnosis. The initial step for saving the tooth that requires root canal treatment is to identify the cause. Your dentist will look over the tooth and examine it with x-rays in order to determine whether the tooth's pulp area, comprising blood vessels, nerves as well as connective tissue, is inflamed, infected, or damaged. The cause could be severe decay, cracked tooth, repeated procedures on the tooth, or even trauma of the tooth. Step 2. Anesthesia. When the root canal process starts, your dentist will give you local anesthesia to help numb the surrounding area of the tooth. This ensures you're in a comfortable position throughout the procedure and won't suffer any pain. Step 3. Removing the infected pulp. When you're numb, your dentist will create tiny openings in your tooth that allows access to the damaged pulp. Inflamed or damaged pulp is removed by specially designed instruments. Finally, the tooth canal is then thoroughly cleaned and disinfected to eliminate dirt and bacteria. Step 4. Filling the root canal. Once the root canal is clean, it's then covered with a substance similar to rubber called gutta-percha to stop any recontamination to the tooth. The substance seals the canal and prevents bacteria from gaining entry and creating more inflammation. Step 5. Restoring the tooth. When the root canal is treated, your dentist will apply the temporary filling or crown over the tooth to shield it until a permanent one will be made. Sometimes, a dental crown could be needed to restore the strength and functionality of the tooth. Step 6. Follow-up. When the root canal procedure is completed, it's essential to keep in touch with your dentist on a regular basis for checks as well as examinations. It will help ensure that your tooth heals correctly and any signs of discomfort or infection can be addressed quickly. The bottom line is that root canal treatments are crucial procedures that will help save your tooth from being extracted as well as ease the pain caused by inflammation or injury to the pulp of your tooth. With these tips and procedures, you will be able to make sure that your tooth is protected and restored to its original state of health. If you're suffering from discomfort in your tooth or believe that there is a need for the aid of a root canal, consult with your dentist regarding possible treatment options. It is important to act quickly. Essential to save your tooth while keeping your smile healthy.